So we had to come to Danny's today, Tulsa, Oklahoma, get some electrical parts. That is what we needed. And we got one.
And we got one.
All right, let's go fix it. And this is the reason why we bought this new plug at Danny's. It's so low on there you can't fix it. So we've got another said plug and some of this. So we're going to cut that off and add this other one.
And that's the reason it wouldn't run.
It broke plumb through. Broke plumb through. And see the goo coming out? That makes it waterproof.
Oh,
I got too hot right there.
I was wondering.
It's supposed to stay in there like that.
Will it still work?
Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah, she's still warm. It's still warm. It get it isolated by itself.
And then he's got a third one to do, but we won't record that. It's just the same thing.
Yeah, some of the lead come out of that one a little bit. So now we wrapped them all three individually with tape. We're going to put this back on. Anyway, you know what this is like. And if you don't,
Try it once.
Yeah. Because there's an art form to it. I just got lucky and it's gapped right there, so I'm going to use that to my advantage. And snake it in there. Just to have it do that. You know how to fix that. You get right there.
And tape it back together.
And tape it back together. And we just got the rest of it. That's all that's left. I got this above my splices, but I'm going to slide it down when I get done getting these in here. Just follow them one at a time. Okay, now we're all in. And that's a tight fit right there. So we got them in there somewhat.
But they're taped.
And they're above, the connections are in there, so. We're going to tie this to all of it, down under it, and then come up it. And close this hole that we utilized. And there you have it. Now, and all the wallering around, the rubber boot come off. We're going to put that back on. And then it goes right there. And so
it's a little bit longer than it was, but that should be all right.
and we're not pulling on the wires any different or extra.
We want to say a big thank you to Danny's U-Pull.
Yep, they were great service, great people. Told us where to probably find the vehicle that's got it, and that way we can rob the part we needed. Very helpful.
Yeah, they were very helpful.
Anyway, we're going to pause now because we're going to this off, and I got to get in there and put a cap in it.
Cap and rotor. Getting a half tune.
Get back here. These are numbered on the cap. They're in the holders down there, like they're laid out on the cap. So I'm not worried about messing up my wires. I've already had it off once.
Okay, we're going to pause you right there.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. Oh, wow.
What's the difference?
This one's flat and sunk in.
Uh-huh.
And this one is bulbous. It's sticking out.
That's where it rides on this. The cap is good, other than the fact, see how it's down in there? And see how that one's raised up? And that's why it's not firing right. So we got a new one of them too, so it's still back there. So let's get it out. I come in and I clean that up. See, we got a new one, so bye-bye to that one. Here we go.
Sorry I didn't get to the rotor being put in, but now he's putting in the cap. As you can see, you got to lean over and you can't see where the screws go.
In fact, you pulled it out.
Oh no.
Well, it just means it wasn't in the right spot.
We'll be back.
Rolling, rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Get them in. Put them in the appropriate holders over here. Uh-oh, missed one. That's what happened. Hold on. Yeah, I don't like that. You already put that cap up? That was one.
Put it in the box.
Like I said, they're laid out just like they're supposed to be. I did double check 1, 7, 3, 5, and that's lining up with everything down there. So on to that side. I got to move my step stool. That's a cool wire. And then this is 2. Dang, I can't see from where I'm at. Felt every one of them make a connection.
Then the coil.
It's there somewhere. I believe that's her. I'm going to rotate that. That's one better. Then we'll put this on here. Back on there. And that goes right there. Well, those were the things nephew said to fix.
Is it turned on? Now it's on.
So I got a kill switch on the positive. Kill the battery on this thing so it don't discharge overnight. And anyway, I'm gonna give this to her and I'm gonna go see if this thing will start. I'm gonna cycle the key a couple, 3 times.
Okay. It's flooded. It's flooded. I can smell the gas. She's idling.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
A lot better. Well, it's dark, but you can see it's right at 900. And that's the most it's idled since we've had it.
Huh?
It's idling at 900.
Yeah.
And that's the most it's idled, the highest it's idled since we've had it.
Wow.
That tells you how long that's been bad.
Yep. That and the rotor, the cap.
The cap was the problem
Yeah.
with that, not trying to make that big a jump.
Yep. After a couple of weeks of fighting this and getting his nephew out here to scan it for us and finding the problem, it's finally good to hear it running again.
You can see right through that crack. See right there?
Yeah.
Nosy neighbors. So yeah, she's fixed. barky dogs. Middle pull up.
Oh, pull up.
Push down. Push the hood down. Pull up. Pull it out. Take the camera. Watching the camera. Make sure you're seeing it. Push down, pull up.
And I did that. I had it pulled all the way up and it still wouldn't come out.
But if you're hooked, still it won't come out. So that's key on, that's key out, that's key off. So I can take it plumb out and nobody can steal my truck. Nobody can steal my truck. Or I can put it in there and that's key off. That's on. Whoops. Casualty.
It wasn't open.
So anyway, it's running again. Thanks for
Yep.
watching.
We appreciate you. Like, subscribe, do all the things.
Yep. Now, what we're going to do now?
Ice cream.
Okay. Ice cream, guys. Bye.